Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me again. Welcome to this week's segment of our pre-market analysis and our weekly forecast. So I'd like to thank you for the support that you've given to this channel. To all those that have subscribed, I want to thank you. Thanks a lot from with all my heart. I want to express my gratitude. Thank you a lot. It serves as an encouragement to me because every time I see, let's say, I see we go about 10 views more, it gives me energy. If I see an additional subscriber, I'll be very, very grateful for that subscriber and the subscribers that we have. I'm really so grateful to you guys. Thank you very much. So today we are going to do our Euro USD analysis as usual, and we'll start off with the weekly analysis as before. So if you want to watch the monthly analysis that we did for the Euro USD, click on the link above so that you can watch the monthly analysis. You can click and just watch the first part of the monthly analysis. Then you can come back here, or you can do it after you have watched this full video. I hope you are doing your money management effectively and also you are tracking your performance. So I'm going to do a video entitled The Trading Journal, just to show you how you can do a trading journal and what are the benefits of having a trading journal. I had that conversation with one of my friends. So when we were talking, she asked me why is it necessary for one to have a trading journal. So I just thought, okay, the things that I shared with her, including more, I should just share it also on this platform because for me, it's more of understanding why something is beneficial and why not doing something is detrimental. So that's what we'll be covering in the video. I'm going to drop it in the coming week. All right, so now let's get into our analysis. We'll start off with the Euro USD weekly chart. We can notice that the price has been consolidating, I think, for the past 3 or 4 weeks. So ever since this candle, which marks the mother candle, right, which we're going to call the mother candle, there's been inside bar here, and also the price has been closing within the range of this candle, which is a sign that the price has been consolidating. So what we'll be expecting is that since the price is now closed below the mother candle, as we can see here, and also outside this triangle. So this triangle is also a sign that the price is consolidating. So we have got two confirmation that the price was consolidating. Firstly, it was this mother candle or the inside bars, and also secondly, this triangle. And as you can see, the price is broken outside the triangle. So what we'll be expecting is the price is going to pull back to retest the edges of the triangle or the levels of the triangle. Then after that, it will go and retest this zone that has been broken previously now as a support zone. So now if this zone holds as a support zone, what's going to happen is, if it holds as a support zone, the price will pull back and form a series of higher highs, higher lows, possibly break the 1.23526 zone. Alternatively, in the same direction, what may happen is, if the price breaks, come and retest the 1.18476 zone, and it fails to hold as a support zone, the price will break this zone, come back, retest, and then move all the way down to 1.12415 zone. And once this low of the triangle is broken, maybe let's just mark it as this zone is broken, we'll be expecting at least the distance to the downside to be about the same distance as the height of the triangle. So which means that once this zone has been broken, the price will seek to make a downward spiral. Then on the other side, what can happen is the price, upon reversal of this edge, this may prove to be a false breakout, and then price breaks to the top of the triangle, come retest it, and then come and break this 1.23526 zone, and then retest the zone and move in a series of higher highs and higher lows. Right. And if this scenario happens, what's going to happen is that the price will move to the upside by at least the distance equal to the height of this triangle chart. So this is the movement that I'm expecting as far as the Euro USD chart is concerned. Okay, so now we move on to the daily chart. What we'll be expecting on the daily chart is that there's been this formation of a rising channel, and usually a rising channel, if we use it in conjunction with this resistance zone, it will be a signal for a reversal, right, or a pullback in this state, in this case, right. So what we'll be expecting is that since the price broke outside the channel, this is a sign of a breakout, right. It means that we'll be expecting the price to move to the downside, and as we have mentioned in the weekly chart, we'll be expecting the downside up to this zone where it will be retested as a support zone now, since it has been previously broken as a resistance zone. So for this breakout to work or to be effective, it has to come and retest this zone as a support zone. So we'll be expecting that the price will pull back and form a lower high, after which it is going to retest this zone, and then if this zone holds as a support zone, the price will then move all the way up to come and possibly break this zone. And if it doesn't hold, the price will break this zone and then retest it and then move in a series of lower lows and lower highs. Alternatively, what can happen is that the price will just reverse, right? And upon reversing, it will close above this high, forming a higher high. And if it pulls back and forms a lower low, it means we'll be expecting that the price will be going all the way up to break 1.23488 zone and possibly retest it again and move all the way up. So these are the scenarios that I'll be expecting as far as the Euro USD is concerned. Yes, there is a sign that the price will go to the downside, but also let's remember what we talked about, that as we can see, the main trend is still bullish, so we cannot trade against the trend, especially if we haven't yet confirmed the reversal. So hence, I'll be just expecting the price to come and retest the zone as a support zone. Okay, so these are the two scenarios that I'll be expecting as far as the Euro USD is concerned. I'll just continue with my theme this year, which is money management. Let's manage our money. Let's stick to our money management rules so that we can stay longer in the game. So that leaves me to say thank you very much, guys. You have a great week. Grind the markets with grit. Roy Machingura.